Hi, I'm Sean Arnold, and this is another brief, brave attempt in learning. We're going to be covering G Suite integration with other apps, specifically how you can install Smart Learning Suite for your whole organization.
Hey there everybody, we're here in the Google admin screen once again, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and install an app like Smart Learning Suite to your domain. Simply head here to the Google admin screen, go ahead and click here on apps. Then you're going to go to G Suite Marketplace apps, since it isn't one of the core apps. Now inside of here, there can be some confusion between whitelisting and installing. Now whitelisting, what that does is it allows your users to go ahead and add it themselves and it won't be blocked. Installing it actually makes it already there and available for your users. And for an app like Smart Learning Suite, you actually have to go to the install portion first. Whitelisting just won't do it. So you head there, you type Smart Learning Suite. Boom, there it is. Click on it, domain install, continue, make sure you log in for your admin, and agree to the terms, accept, a moment, and then voila, it's suddenly ready to go for all of your users. They can find it right there in the grid for it, and if you head back to that G Suite Marketplace in your domain, you will now be able to refresh and see that your new app will be there for you. And there it is, Smart Learning Suite. And if you want to change any settings for it, you can just head on over there and change any of those that you need. You can grant access only to specific groups within your domain, but that's for another video altogether. All right, take care.
Feel free to check out other tutorial videos or webinars and subscribe to get them right away.